Now I start the class Nana. Principle of superposition of waves. Look here all of you. Very good morning Nana all. అవును నాన్న ఈరోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ principle of superposition of waves. In the situation Nana, this is suppose this is the particle. Chapter name Wave Optics. In the chapter light propagated in the form of waves. Look here all of you. This is the particle Nana. Particle. In the situation light propagated in the form of waves. Light fall on the particle. Light is a form of energy. Because of energy, this particle displaced by y1. Same particle, another light wave fall on the particle. In the situation, displacement of the same particle is y2. Particle is same, another wave fall on the particle. Here displacement of the particle is y3. First wave fall on the particle, displacement of the particle is y1. Second wave displacement of the particle is y2. Third wave displacement of the particle is y3. In the situation same particle, all the waves, look here now, first wave, second wave, third wave, simultaneously fall on the particle. Its resultant displacement of the particle is yr. In the situation, all waves falling on the particle simultaneously, resultant displacement of the particle is here. E wave padithe particle displacement y1, y2, y3. Simply write all waves fall on the particle simultaneously. Resultant displacement of the particle is sum of the individual displacements. Resultant displacement of the particle is sum of the individual displacements. This is the principle of superposition. Yesterday I discussed maximum intensity by minimum intensity. I write formula. We know that root I1 plus root I2 whole by root I1 minus root I2 whole square. Look here. Over in terms of amplitude, A1 plus A2 whole by A1 minus A2 whole square. This is the formula for maximum intensity by minimum intensity. Here what is the meaning of A1? Amplitude of the first wave. What is the meaning of A2? Amplitude of the second wave. What is the I1? Intensity of the first wave. What is the I2? Intensity of the second wave. In this situation, when maximum intensity we get, theta value I taken 0. Simply theta 0 means this is the first wave, This is the second wave. Here crust fall on the crust. Theta becomes 0. Crust fall on the crust. ORR, ORR, ORR. Trust fall on the trust. Here when maximum intensity we get, theta becomes 0. Yesterday I explained, please see the video. According to this situation, crust fall on the crust. Crust, same phase. Crust fall on the crust. ORR, trough fall on the trough. Crust fall on the crust. ORR, trough fall on the trough. We get maximum intensity. Maximum intensity means on the screen. Bright band form on the screen. Intensity is maximum. In the physics, intensity is nothing but the brightness. Simply, intensity maximum, its meaning is bright band form. Intensity is maximum. We get bright band. Intensity is maximum. We get bright band. This interference is called constructive interference. This is called constructive interference. Next one. Look here, all of you. In the situation, suppose theta value becomes 180 degrees. In the situation, this is the first wave, this is the second wave. In the situation, crust fall on the trough. In the physics, crust ki trough ki madhya angle enta 180. Here, crust fall on the trough fall on the crust. Simply, crust fall on the trough, ORR, trough fall on the crust. Theta becomes 180. We got minimum intensity. Minimum intensity means automatically, approximately, brightness becomes 0. The band formed on the screen is called dark band. This interference is called as destructive interference. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. When constructive interference, crust fall on the crust, ORR, trough fall on the trough, theta value 0. In the situation, we got maximum intensity, that is called bright band formed on the screen. This is called constructive interference. Next case, crust fall on the trough, theta value 180. In the situation, here intensity becomes minimum. This is called destructive interference. Dark band formed on the screen. Now I discuss interference. Interference also called as YDSE. Simply, Young's double slit experiment. Interference is nothing but the Young double slit experiment, YDSE. In the situation, YDSE, in the situation, look here. This is the source. This is the source. What is the use of source? To illuminate the light. Okay? This is called coherent source. Coherent source means, yesterday I discussed, these waves having same wavelength, same frequency, maintained at a constant phase difference. This is, look here now, this is slit now. Here how many holes ఉన్నాయి? ఇది ఒక హోల్ నానా, ఇది ఒక హోల్. How many holes are there? 2 holes. That is called double slit. Double slit. Okay? In the situation, this is called source. This is called coherent source. Same. This is the first wave. Crush తర్వాత బయటకి ఏమొస్తుంది? Trough. Next crest. Next trough. ఇలా కంటిన్యూస్గా టు emit. Okay? Nana, source emit the light. Light travel in the form of waves. Here wave is nothing but the crest. Thick line crest nana, dotted line trough. ఇక్కడ దాకా వేవ్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఒక హోల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక హోల్ ఉంది. 2 హోల్స్లో నుంచి లైట్ కమింగ్ అవుట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇదిగోనా, ఫస్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? క్రస్ట్. ఈ హోల్లోంచి కూడా లైట్ క్రస్ట్. లుక్ హియర్. క్రస్ట్ తర్వాత బయటకి ఏమొస్తుంది? ట్రఫ్. నానా ఇదిగో సోర్సు, ఎమిట్ ద లైట్. లైట్ ట్రావెల్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ వేవ్స్. హియర్ క్రస్ట్ అండ్ ట్రఫ్స్. హియర్ క్రస్ట్ అవుట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమౌట్ అవుతుంది? ట్రఫ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమౌట్ అవుతుంది? ట్రఫ్. లుక్ హియర్ నా. క్రష్ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి? ట్రఫ్. ట్రఫ్ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి? క్రస్ట్. హియర్ లుక్ హియర్, క్రస్ట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏం పెట్టాలి? ట్రఫ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం పెట్టాలి? ట్రఫ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్క్రీన్ అన్న. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్క్రీన్ అన్న. Look here all of it. Look here all of it. Look here all of it. Here crust fall on the crust. Theta value 0. Intensity maximum. Trough fall on the trough. Theta value 0. We get constructive interference. Crust fall on the crust. We got theta 0. In the region, look here. Here, crust fall on the crust, trough fall on the trough, crust fall on the crust, trough fall on the trough. Theta 0. We got maximum intensity at the center of the screen. At the center of the screen, we got bright band. This is called central fringe. Central fringe. Central fringe. Look here. In the situation, here, crust fall on the trough. Trough fall on the crust. What happens to the theta value? 180 degrees. Theta 180 degrees. We got minimum intensity. That is called destructive interference. That is called dark band formed on the screen. It is slit nana. Adendana screen. Okay, here. In the situation, this is crust, trough. Crust fall on the trough. Trough fall on the crust. Theta 180. We got dark band. Next time vastundo meer cheppandi. Bright. Look here. Alternatively bright, dark, bright form. Simply ఒకటి బ్రైట్ అనుకో, నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? డార్క్. నెక్స్ట్ బ్రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ డార్క్. ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ alternatively bright band and dark band formed on the screen. That phenomena is called interference. Interference. Okay, what is the meaning of interference? Interference means here two coherent waves. Nana, once again, interference means two coherent waves. Two coherent waves. Look here. Source illuminate the light. This light split into two waves by using here double slit is taken. Double slit is taken. This one wave split into two waves. What is the meaning of coherent waves? Same wavelength, same frequency, constant phase difference. Both the waves are superimposed. Superimposed ante ఒకదాని మీద ఇంకోటి follow. Superimpose central on the screen, bright band form, next dark, next bright, next dark. Simply alternatively on the screen, bright band, dark band, bright band, dark band formed. This phenomena is called interference. Simply interference definition. Here how many waves? Two waves. Two coherent waves. Same wavelength, same frequency, constant phase difference. Superimpose. Alternatively, bright and dark bands formed on the screen. This phenomena is called interference. Here in the interference, how many waves are taken? Two waves. The first wave displacement is A sin omega t, equation number 1. Second wave, here A sin omega t plus phi. Here phi indicate phase difference between two waves. Okay? In the situation, according to principle of superposition, already I discussed principle of superposition formula. Principle of superposition formula is resultant displacement is equal to sum of the individual displacements. According to principle of superposition, resultant wave write as sum of the individual waves. Okay? In the situation, yr equal to, look here, what is the y1 value? Look here, all of you. A sin omega t plus, what is the y2? A sin of omega t plus phi. Look here, all of you. In the situation, in the right side, A sin omega t plus 2, A here sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B write as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Neatly write as A into sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Neatly write as, look here, sin of A plus B write as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. In the first two terms, which is common, in the first two terms, which is common, look here, A common, sin omega t common, here, A sin omega t common, here write 1. In the second term, A sin omega t common, remaining is cos phi here. Plus, in the third term, neatly write as A sin phi cos omega t. In the according to SHM, two waves in SHM resultant wave also in SHM. Two waves in SHM. Two waves is in SHM. Resultant wave also is in SHM. In the situation, two waves is in SHM. Resultant wave also in SHM. That's why here one assumption required. The assumption is A into 1 plus cos phi right as capital A into cos theta. This is the equation number 3. A into 1 plus cos phi right as A into cos theta. Similarly, A into sin phi right as capital A into sin theta. Two waves is in SHM. Resultant wave also in SHM. That's why this assumption is mandatory. Here YR equal to A into 1 plus cos phi right as A cos theta. Look here, A cos theta sin plus A into sin phi right as A into sin theta cos omega t. Here in the situation, right side the common term is A into A is common, here remaining right neatly sin omega t cos theta plus cos omega t sin theta. Look here all of you. In the situation, sin A cos B, cos A sin B. This is mathematics right as junior medical. Kirani and YR equal to A sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It write as sin of A plus B, simply omega t plus theta. This is the formula for resultant displacement of the resultant wave. Very important, Nana. This is fourth equation. This is fifth equation. Simply two waves is in SHM. Resultant wave also is in SHM. Very important that notice. Okay, Nana. Interference ante two coherent waves fall one all Nana superimpose. చూడాలి నాన్న వరుణ్ నీకోసమే చెప్తున్నాను చూడు ఒకసారి. Two coherent waves superimpose bright and dark bands formed on the screen. Bright and dark bands are formed on the screen. That phenomena is called interference. Look here. This is the equation 3. This is the equation 4. In the situation 3 ni 4 ni స్క్వేర్ చేసి అండ్ యాడ్ చేయండి. 3 square and 4 square both are squaring and adding. In this situation 3 ని స్క్వేర్ చేద్దామా? ఫస్ట్ రైట్ సైడ్ యాడ్ చేద్దాం రండి. 3 ని స్క్వేర్ చేయండి. a స్క్వేర్ cos స్క్వేర్ థీటా ప్లస్ 4 ని స్క్వేర్ చేయండి. a స్క్వేర్ sin స్క్వేర్ theta. RHS right side completed. Left side also 3 square now. Simply a square into squaring a plus b whole square. What is the formula? Apo 1 plus cos square 5 plus 2 cos 5 a plus b whole square. 4 ని స్క్వేర్ చేయడమేగా. a స్క్వేర్ into sin square 5. In the left side a square is common. According to trigonometry, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. In the right side, this is the cos square 5, this is the sin square 5. Cos square 5 plus sin square 5, write as 1. Here 1 plus cos square 5 plus sin square 5, 1 plus, look here all of you, 2 cos 5. In the situation, right side a square into 1 plus 1 write as 2 plus 2 cos 5. In the left side capital A. ఇంతకీ capital A అంటే ఏంటి? Resultant amplitude of the two waves. Once again Varun, capital A indicate resultant amplitude of the two waves. Small a అంటే amplitude of the each wave. Amplitude of the each wave. Chala important notice. Look here all of you. In the left side a square, in the right side a square. Here 2 also common. 1 plus cos 5 write as in the mathematics 2 cos square 5 by 2. In the situation a finally write as 2a cos 5 by 2. Equation number 6. Here capital A indicate, మీరే చెప్పాలి, capital A indicate resultant amplitude. Data most important derivation కన్నా ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ రాదు పెట్టదు. Capital A is resultant amplitude. Small a amplitude of each wave. It's most important notice. Small a amplitude of each wave. Here how many waves ఉన్నాయి? 2 waves. 5 indicate initial phase difference between 2 waves. Simply phase difference between 2 waves. Please write. బాగున్నానా? Look here all of you now. This is the equation for resultant amplitude. In this situation, what is the intensity? Intensity formula is square of the amplitude. Yesterday I discussed. Resultant intensity of the wave. Square. Tell me Nana. 4 a square cos a square kada squaring 4 a square cos square 5 by 2. This is the formula for resultant intensity of the wave. Here 2 waves superimpose. Finally we get resultant intensity of the wave right as 4. Here a indicate, small a indicate amplitude of the each wave. This a square write as I naught into cos square 5 by 2. Look here all of you. Here IR indicate resultant intensity. I naught indicate intensity of each wave. Phi indicate phase difference between two waves. Okay. In the situation, first I discuss constructive interference. Look here all of you. First I discuss constructive interference. Constructive interference other name is bright band. Constructive interference other name bright band. First I discuss bright band. Look here all of you. Look here circuit. Bright band. Bright band means nana, we know that already. Crust fall on the crust, or trough fall on the trough. Crust की मध्य phase difference 0 or 2 pi or 4 pi and so on and so on. Simply this is the phase difference. Nana alane next nana x indicate path difference. We know that in the chapter waves, phase difference formula is 2 pi by lambda into x. Here x is lambda by 2 pi into 5. Once again I repeat, 2 pi by lambda other side, lambda by 2 pi. Here phi 0, x value 0. Here phi substitute 2 pi, x value lambda. Here substitute phi value 2 lambda. Here look here, phi value 4 pi 2 lambda and so on. Finally we get n lambda. Constructive interference other name bright band. Bright band means crust fall on the crust. In this situation, phase difference is 0, 2 pi, 4 pi and so on. General formula is 2n pi. In the situation, n value 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Once again, here 0 substitute we get 0. Here 1 substitute we get here. What is the phase difference of constructive interference? 0, 2 pi, 4 pi and so on 2n pi. What is the path difference? 0, lambda, 2 lambda and so on n lambda for bright band conditions. Again I discuss, look here now. Resultant intensity. Resultant intensity formula we know that 4 I naught cos square 5 by 2. This is the constructive interference. Simply crust fall on the crust, phi value 0, 0 by anything 0. Cos 0 value 1. Finally we get resultant intensity is 4 I naught. This is the formula for completely bright band. Destructive interference, other name dark band. In the situation, crust fall on the trough, ORR, trough fall on the crust. Crust की trough की मध्य angle ఎంత ఉంటుంది 180. Simply phase difference between crust and trough is 180 pi. Look here nana, 3 pi, 5 pi and so on. Finally write 2n minus 1 into pi. Here n value starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is the condition for phase difference for dark band. Next nana x. X indicate path difference. What is the formula for x nana? What is the formula for x nana? What is the formula for x? Lambda by 2 pi into pi. Here substitute nana lambda by 2 pi into 5. 5 value substitute. Here finally we get lambda by 2. Next 3 lambda by 2. Next 5 lambda by 2 and so on. Look here all of you. 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Do you understand? This is the condition for path difference in the dark band. This is the condition of phase difference in the dark band. Phase difference completed, path difference completed. Next I discuss resultant intensity. What is the resultant intensity formula? 4I0 cos square 5 by 2. Here dark band means crest of the first wave fall on the trough of the second wave. Here phase difference is 180 by 2, 90, cos 90 becomes 0, 0 into anything 0. Simply this is the condition for dark band. అదే బ్రైట్ బ్యాండ్ లో ఎంత వచ్చింది 4I0. ఇప్పుడు యావరేజ్ డిటర్మైన్ చేద్దాం. జనరల్లీ హియర్ హౌ మెనీ వేవ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 2 waves. This is the first wave, this is the second wave. First wave intensity I0, second wave intensity I0. Here I average determine చేద్దాం. I average అంటే bright band plus dark band whole by 2. Average అంటే both are add by 2. In the situation bright band is 4I0, dark band is 0, whole by 2. Once again I repeat, I average means bright band, dark band, whole by 2. Simply I average equal to 2I0. సింప్లీ నాన్న ఇదిగో నాన్న చూడండి, ఇది ఫస్ట్ వేవ్, ఇది సెకండ్ వేవ్. ఇట్స్ మీనింగ్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. యావరేజ్గా ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఎంత ఉంది? 2I0. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఏ బ్యాండ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి? బ్రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాండ్ ఏంటి? డార్క్. నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాండ్ ఏంటి? బ్రైట్. ఆల్టర్నేటివ్లీ బ్రైట్ బ్యాండ్, డార్క్ బ్యాండ్, బ్రైట్ బ్యాండ్, dark band form. In the situation total energy transferred from dark band to bright band. Simply, here intensity 0. Here energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Total energy transferred from dark band to bright band. Its meaning is interference follow law of conservation of energy. Simply, interference follow law of conservation of energy. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but energy transferred from one band to one band to other band. Energy transferred from one band to other band. Simply, interference always follow from law of conservation of energy. What is the average intensity in the interference? 2I0. Intensity of the bright band 4I0. Intensity of the dark band 0. Okay, here I0 indicate intensity of each wave.